Hey, there's like a sign that say warning something. You guys want to read it real quick?
Where is it?
It's right here on this. No. Yellow jacket nest all over trail. Be careful. Yellow jacket.
Yellow jacket?
Kevin and James actually. Oh man, it's been walking.
Kenny, this pool right behind you?
The thing we do for fishing. I think we've been walking for maybe speed walking too. Maybe like 35-40 minutes now. Still haven't even reached a final destination for fishing yet. Oh my God, guys. Whew. Here we are. So we just walked like an hour. I'm just gonna fish over here because it's a lot easier to walk. Oh no, nothing's over there. I mean, it looks pretty good. It looks very deep too though, so. I don't know if my net rig is heavy enough. I'm not feeling anything right now. So it's probably just floating in the water freely. That's a bite. That's a hit. That's a good hit. Oh, he came off. He came off though. Oh, he came back for it. Just a little one. Nothing too crazy. Yeah, this little one, man, they're really feisty. The water is very cold right now though, so I like it. The water is like icy cold right now. We got Wyland Clone today with us.
That's true. The Wyland clone.
We got a clone of Wyland today.
I've been missing this fishing, so I've been dragging my brother everywhere. It's nothing like smallie fishing, dude.
I know, it's so fun.
There's gotta be a big one in here.
The water's clear, but I don't think it's that clear.
So like a little tap.
You're using a good
I
color.
had a little tap though. Not sure if it's a rock or it's a fish, but had a little tiny little nibble. Nope, nada. I'm on.
Yes.
But it's small, tiny.
Yeah, that's like the only size I've caught.
Yep. The first one I caught was twice as big as this, and it was already small. Dang. This is oh, look, this is Wyland's honey hole, guys. Honey hole fish.
Yeah, that's the honey hole fish right there. Absolutely.
Honey hole. The fish is like smaller than the Rice Krispie that you're eating right now.
It was.
Just crawl over. Lots of spider web. Just get over here. Fishing with the boys. You good? Here, let me move a little bit so you can
I didn't like that.
walk. It's all right. There's more room for me over here too. I just gotta be careful. My stuff might be snagged in the water already, because I'm not keeping an eye on it right now. Okay, let's see, where is it? Okay, it's still there. I see a lot of raccoon footprints. Alright, how do I get up here? Oh shit. Okay. Okay, that's better. Oh! Oh no. I'm on. Decent. Not bad, but not bad. Just a bunch of cookie cutter for now. Bunch of cookie cutter smallie. Look at that. There you go, dude. There you go, my guy. That's got to be a big one. You know that. You know there's got to be a big one somewhere. Just look at the view, though. What a view, man. These guys got me eating spider web right now.
Huge spider web?
Yeah, it's in that bush. Just lots of them. I mean, I kind of got most of it. Oh boy. I'll do a couple casts real quick though. Oh my god. You good?
Good though?
At least you didn't scrape your legs or your knee. The rocks are pretty nasty, man. Oh, that's not where I want to go.
I'm not gonna catch right now.
Oh, okay. I got a little bite though. I got a little nipple, but it's baby fish. Yeah, these little fish, man. They here. Little rock bass. There it is. Oh,
Yo, you're freaking hammering this thing, dude.
catch that.
There you go. Nice rock.
Oh, that's a fat rock bass. Watch this. Hey, we got another double up, boy. Look at this rock bass.
Wow. That's a quality.
What a
one, dude.
fat rock bass, man.
Wow.
Got a little parasite on his tail. Hey, if you hold it, I can just pop it open, right?
I didn't have a good grip on this.
Yeah. Look at a fat rock bass.
Dude, he's
Maybe.
plump.
You like a little, yeah, he's plump.
Ooh, Zane's on. Were you on? Yeah, I was on a rock.
Thanks.
You want to hold it?
Nah, I'm good. Want to cook him?
Yeah, he'd be a good eating size.
Yeah. I think there's a lot of them just stacked up along that wall. Don't know if there's any like big smallie, but I had a bunch of nibbles as soon as I cast it over there. Yeah.
I think mine's
That's another hit. Tiny little hit though. I'm trying to make sure we're not touching each other's line. Okay. Oh, it's a rock bass, right?
Dude!
That's a fat rock bass. Yo, bring it over here. I want to see it.
That thing is huge.
I know. I've never seen a rock bass this big. But also, like, I don't know where I'm walking right now, bro.
This thing's giant. You see it, Kenny?
Huh?
Hey, let me get a photo.
Oh, I see it. It's nice. It's just the water is so muddy that I'm trying to figure out if there's like a hole right here or not. You good? You good? It's so yellow too.
Dude, it's giant.
Crazy.
Look at that thing. Look how thick he is. That's a good eating size right there.
Yep.
Alright, he's going back in. What's the legal limit? Or the legal length?
I don't think there is a limit. And the way that drag peels, I thought it was like a giant already.
No, I
have it light because it's 6 pounds, so I kind of just like to leave it light. But that's not a bad one. That's a dink. Bro, this is like an average size smallie, okay? Right here, that's average size.
What you catch over there, man? It's a croc.
Nothing. Nothing to see here, okay? This is a blooper.
You're gonna lose that down the current. 100%.
Yo, you got a tree, man.
You better walk out, yeah.
Dang, I'm just.
Man's fuck.
I mean, it's beautiful.
Yeah.
The view. Super nice, man.
You wish we caught more fish.
Yeah.
It's like, we have to walk back up to see what
I don't even want to think about that. Just look at this view, though. Oh my God. Looking beautiful. This is like straight out of Jurassic Park.
I wonder if people come down here and fish for trout.
Oh man, this is gonna be a little tough, huh? To get like all the way over there. Like barely, you know, not like crazy amount of like structures. And then I'm snagged now. I caught like a tree or something though. Oh, that's a good one. That's a good one. Oh,
Damn,
dude, it's so, yo. That thing's like 1.5 pounds. Oh. Wow, okay. Oh, good to know. Yo, why didn't you ever? This guy trying to. It's deep, man. Dude, that was a good one, man. Yeah, that was a good one. You can tell by the weight. Yo, be careful.
You got one?
Good one. Good one. That's a good one. Oh, it's not bad.
That's a nice one.
I thought it was a lot bigger, but that was the same brown one that came out, I think, earlier. Look at his color.
Oh, he's pretty. He's like copper colored.
Yep. Man, he's just swimming against the current. That's why it makes you think it's like a big one for a second there. Slow
It's a
one.
nice fish.
Bronze, copper.
Yeah, copper one. It's copper. I'm gonna pick up my rod too. Good luck. While I'm gone.
Yeah, well, oh man, he's gonna reach like a really good spot, huh?
Yeah.
We'll see though.
But he's still using the wrap. He's not using the
Net rig.
yeah.
Yeah, I think most of the hit that I get is just right around this little underside of the rocks.
Yeah.
I started getting bit by mosquitoes too.